All right, well, if you like today, this guy says it's just going to get better this week.
Today is definitely the worst day of the week. So from there,
love that.
We're in good shape. And it looks like we're going to get pretty mild, too. So even today, actually, was just kind of like southern coastal Maine that was showery. And I joke, it's like, well, big part of the population was in showers. Spatially, a lot of the state was actually fine. And if you look at the visible satellite, you can see these big holes in the cloud cover from Bangor back west into parts of Oxford County. So really quite a nice afternoon there. But there are the showers from Portland down into Kittery into Portsmouth, New Hampshire. And those will continue to rotate to the east-northeast over the next few hours. And we'll get rid of them shortly after sunset, and we'll start to clear out after that. We did pretty well temp-wise, though, 65 in Wiscasset, 66 in Bangor, 67 in Freiburg. And so when we add more sunshine to this equation, especially late in the week into the weekend, it's not hard to imagine low 70s, right? It's not going to take much more of a catalyst to get us there. Hour by hour forecast tonight, we're largely in the 50s through most of the night, so pretty mild. We drop down into the 40s briefly early tomorrow morning away from the coastline. Tomorrow's a really good-looking day. It's a lot more consistently sunny compared to today. Temperatures are probably low 60s, so 60 to 63 will do it for most of us. Tomorrow night is significantly cooler than tonight. We'll drop down into the 40s and some 30s out there too by Thursday morning. Thursday's another nice bright day with a lot of sunshine and a high right around 60 degrees. So we're cruising right through Thursday, and then we start to turn up the temperature Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It's a subtle thing, but this high being overhead allows us to be nice, but once it moves east is when we get to be mild. It's a bit of a modified, what we'd call a Bermuda high, out towards Bermuda, pumping winds out of the south-southwest. And so inherently there, you're dragging in warmer air from, say, the mid-south. And so that's what's allowing us to warm up Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And you can see it here in this temperature pattern that we've got a lot of oranges and yellows in here straight through the weekend into early next week, and that's a good place to be at. So for example, on Saturday, I think a lot of us will get into the low 70s on Saturday afternoon, and we'll do it with sun too. So really nice stuff. Sundays maybe a little bit cloudier, but still a high right around 70 degrees. Holding the front, question mark on Monday. We might get one more mild day out of it, and then we're cooler on Tuesday. However, guys, although we're cooler on Tuesday, I don't see us dropping off the map here into next week. It's not like suddenly we're going to have highs in the 40s or anything. Yeah. It's just not going to be as crazy because those are near record highs over the weekend.
No complaints.
Yep. Take it and run.
Thanks, Keith.